Currently, the temperature is 79 degrees with light rain. A hurricane warning, a tornado watch, and a flash flood watch have been issued for our area by the National Weather Service. Our local Doppler radar. Tonight, rain and wind with a few rumbles of thunder. Low 78. East-northeast winds at 35 to 50 miles per hour, increasing to over 100 miles per hour. And on Monday, windy with rain, heavy at times, high 85. Wind gusts could reach 150 miles per hour. And Monday night, rain ending early, windy at times, low 76.
The week ahead.